Today, we want to look at types of mapping. The first one we are going to discuss is called one-to-one mapping. Given a mapping F such that X takes element from X to Y. If the image of element in X1, which is X1, is equal to the image of element X2, which implies that X1 is equal to X2, or if X1 is not equal to X2, implies that F of X1 is not equal to F of X2, then the mapping F is one-to-one. For instance, if this is X, let's say this is X, and this is the mapping F, this is relation, this is Y. If we have element A, let's say we have element X1, X2, X3. The element here is same thing as Y1, Y2, Y3. This is a typical example of one-to-one mapping. We realize that F of X, that is the image of F1, is equal to Y1. The image of X2 is equal to Y2, and the image of X3 is equal to Y3. They have distinct images. So in this case now, we say this is one-to-one. This is one-to-one mapping because F of X1 is equal to F of X2, which implies that X1 is equal to X2. So let's look at that very well. That's a typical example of one-to-one mapping. One element at the domain has one image at the codomain, and vice and in that order. Thank you.